This Wednesday, the freezing cold conditions will spread behind that cold front over the central part of the country, with freezing levels dropping significantly overnight into Wednesday morning, bringing a light dusting of snow to the high mountain peaks of the Western Cape, the high-lying regions in the Karoo, with most of the snow expected to fall over the northern high-lying regions in the Eastern Cape, especially around the southern Drakensberg and Lesotho, with even a few snowflakes likely over the southern part of the Free State. Now, the Weather Service issued a yellow level 2 warning for disruptive snowfall over the northern regions of the Eastern Cape, leading to some mountain passes being closed and causing difficult driving conditions. So please be careful. Damaging winds and waves still expected over the coastal regions of the country, with damaging interior winds over parts of the Eastern Cape and the eastern regions of the Free State. Here's your Wednesday forecast. On Wednesday morning, heavy rain still possible over parts of the Cape provinces as well as around Lesotho and the Free State, but most of the rainy conditions clearing into the evening, with only a few drops of rain still possible around the city of Cape Town by Wednesday evening. Now we can see morning light rain still possible over parts of the northern and the Western Cape, with scattered showers still possible in the Eastern Cape, that heavy snowfall as mentioned over the northern regions as well as in Lesotho. A few drops of rain still likely in parts of the Free State, with a few snowflakes likely over the southern regions, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms also likely over the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the adjacent interior. Now we're still expecting strong winds this Wednesday, with southwesterly winds blowing fresh across the country, fresh to strong at times over parts of the Highveld and here over parts of the Eastern Cape. A strong westerly wind spreading along the southern and the eastern coastline, with southwesterly winds now blowing strong along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and a fresh to strong southerly wind along the coast of Namibia. Into the evening, the winds calming over the interior of the country but still blowing strong along the coast of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal and over parts of Mozambique. Now in the Western Cape, another cold day expected, with light drizzle still possible, temperatures only around 15 degrees Celsius over the western and central regions. Later we are expecting those westerly to southwesterly winds to continue to blow strong along the southern coastline, with much cooler conditions expected. Rain is still possible over large areas of the Eastern Cape, mainly on Wednesday morning, with significant snow likely over the northern high-lying regions as well as the southern Drakensberg and Lesotho. Temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius expected around the escarpment, and temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius along the eastern coast, with strong southwesterly winds blowing. A much cooler afternoon in KwaZulu-Natal, with windy conditions expected over the interior, scattered showers and thunderstorms likely around Durban, and temperatures only around 18 degrees Celsius in Pietermaritzburg and Newcastle. A chilly morning over the Highveld. Later we have this icy cold southwesterly wind blowing, temperatures only around 15 degrees Celsius over the Highveld, but still hot in the Lowveld with 32 in Skukuza, as well as in the Lowvelds of Limpopo, but much cooler conditions moving in from the south, with this icy cold southwesterly wind also blowing fresh over Limpopo. In northwest, it will be a cold and windy afternoon, with southwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong, temperatures only peaking at around 15 degrees Celsius. A cloudy afternoon expected in the Northern Cape, light drizzle still possible in the west. It will be a cold afternoon with windy conditions, southwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong at times, and maximum temperatures only expected around 12 degrees Celsius over large parts of the Northern Cape. A cold and windy day in store for the Free State, with the southwesterly winds blowing fresh to strong. The Weather Service is warning against damaging winds over the eastern regions of the Free State. Maximum temperatures only around 12 degrees Celsius, with isolated showers possible over the southern regions as well as around Lesotho. A cold day also expected in Gauteng, with the southwesterly winds blowing fresh at times, only 14 in Johannesburg and 16 in Pretoria. Then on Thursday, we're expecting most of the rain to clear, with only isolated light showers still possible along the eastern coast. Temperatures slowly but surely recovering over the interior, only reaching around 18 degrees Celsius, but warmer conditions expected in the west. Then on Friday, we are expecting mostly dry conditions across the country, with sunny skies over most regions. Bergwind conditions now warming up the west, with 29 in the afternoon in Vredendal. Otherwise, temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius over the central regions of the country. Well, that's all from me. Stay warm this Wednesday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.